got my section here to install, and I do prefer to use the clip element. So I'm just going to create a little bit of back coating for hold. So we've already colorized here, but it's absolutely perfect. So pop this over the top. Now I'm going to go ahead and just put some movement into the hair. The dark blonde halo extensions in the 16-inch, I've just applied them here. So good, it's the perfect look. It's completely seamless, you can't see it at all. And I've just cracked it with like fairly bare curl really to do a nice soft upside.